What's going on, guys? Okay, so today I got a tutorial for you. This is for repairing your VitaShell on your 3.65 HENKaku Enso. Basically, what this is called SOS. What it is it's designed to reinstall a corrupted version of VitaShell if you so happen to have a problem with VitaShell. Now, for all of you that potentially might have this problem already with VitaShell, I will be showing you how to repair that as well, which is natively done on your Vita, so you can install this program, or not program, but application your on your Vita. So without further ado, let's open up our VitaShell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this via VitaShell this time, and then I'm going to show you how to install it on the Vita natively. So first things first, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to plug your Vita into your USB and activate your VitaShell. Okay, once you've done that, just going to ignore that. And it should pull up your UXO. Now, for your UXO, all you're going to do is you're going to copy this VPK here that I have, and also link will be in the description below. Just copy that over to the root of your UXO, and once you've done that, which as you can see, here's the file right here. Just drag and copy that over to your PS Vita. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do that. Well, I'll just do it anyway. Screw it. Just copy that over like so, and once you've done that, now we can just go to the PlayStation Vita screen. So I'll meet you at the Vita, and I'll show you how to use this program.
Okay, so here we are back at the VitaShell, and I'm on my UXO, and just to show you that I'm on my UXO, and here it is right here. And if you're wondering how I have 500 gigabytes, I'm using a TF card adapter in the game slot here, and I do have a video on how to install and run that as well to swap your UXO to your UMAO, which the UMAO here, that's my memory stick. So I do have a video on that. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because when I swapped my UXO from my memory stick to my Vita adapter, I couldn't run my VitaShell. So I had to swap back, install SOS, and then swap back again, and then run SOS to install this VitaShell. So anyways, long story short, what you're going to do is just locate that VPK and come down here, HWC-SOS version 1. I've already installed this, so I'm not going to do that. So what you're going to do is you're just going to hit X, hit yes, and then hit X again and confirm the prompt. Just get out of here, and then you're going to be looking at this bubble, the SOS. So when you open up this, you hit start. And basically what it has is a backup image of the VPK for VitaShell, and it's for 1.82. And it'll say VitaShell is already installed. The eBoot bin will be replaced with VitaShell 1.82. So that's that there, and then all you do is hit X to continue, and then your VitaShell should work. Aside from that, that's pretty much it. So once that's done, it's going to reboot, and then you should be able to use your VitaShell. And this video is relating to this problem here. If I go to start my MolecularShell, it says this file is corrupt C1-27380. Well, this is corrupt because I have it on my memory stick and I swapped over my UXO. If I swap back, it will work again. So, and this says 1.9. I updated the 1.9 and then it downgraded to 1.82. So I'm going to be making a video on how to upgrade to 1.90 because for some reason when I downgraded, the version has not changed. So I'm going to change that version manually in the SFO and update via the SOS application. So I'm going to be making a video on that too. But that's pretty much how you fix your VitaShell. So if that works for you, that's great. If not, then shoot me a message or something. But other than that, rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. And oh yeah, in order to fix VitaShell manually, you're going to have to go into your HENKaku settings here and hit start. And we'll go to our settings, HENKaku settings, and you go to your download content downloader here, and what you're going to do is just enter the URL where the contents are located, and what you're going to put in there is the link embedded for the Flow's direct link to VitaShell, and it will download it and install it for you. So again, rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later, and enjoy SOS to fix your VitaShell on 3.65 HENKaku.